Hi guys.
So today we're going to
make a slime.
Slime! Yay!
Yeah. So you need a spoon, baby spoon.
Alright, you don't have to use a baby spoon, but okay. And then you need a plate or a cup if you're not gonna make a big slime. I don't know if we're gonna make a big slime. So you need this. Okay? Soap.
First,
you put the soap. I stir, okay? Okay, I think that's enough. Miguel. Oh, I made a bubble. Okay.
mix it.
A lot. That's what the lady said. So we can mix it a lot. I hope this works. It goes super bubbly. It's already turning into slime. Look it. It looks like slime already.
You subscribe.
You tell all that and I'll look it.
Subscribe my channel, please.
And my channel, because I have a channel too.
Yeah.
But I don't really do channels a lot because I barely knew that I had a channel, so. And you have to leave this in the fridge for
2 hours.
No, 2 hours, yeah, 2 hours. Or 3 hours. I'm going to do it for 2 hours so I can see it. Because I'm still happy.
Put more.
No. Because then I can split it like that. You and me. It's already super bubbly. Until it gets super bubbly, then you can put it in the freezer. Maddie, ¿vas a querer? And when it goes in the freezer, we're gonna upload you guys again. I think it's already bubbly. It's already bubbly. Oh,
No.
why?
Arlene, está cayendo.
Pero hay otro. Pero eso no lo...
It's done.
But how are we gonna put it in the freezer?
This is part 1. Come to part 2.
But not yet. Let's keep mixing. And let's show them how they look. It already looks like slime, but it's not. It's shit. Okay.
Come on to part 2.
Bye.